Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bath, local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving homes within Bath, 3 Movers is the trusted local moving company you can rely on. With their in-depth knowledge of the city and its unique characteristics, they are well equipped to handle every aspect of your move with efficiency and professionalism. By choosing 3 Movers at your local moving company, you can enjoy a stress-free relocation experience. At 3 Movers, they understand the long-distance moves require extra care and attention. That's why their Bath long-distance 3 movers are well trained in handling the challenges of moving across greater distances. From the moment your belongings are packed to the final delivery at your new destination, 3 Movers ensures your possessions are protected and secured throughout the journey. No matter the distance of your move, 3 Movers has the necessary skills and resources to ensure a smooth and efficient relocation. They employ advanced moving techniques and use high-quality packing materials to safeguard your belongings from any potential damage. You can also have peace of mind knowing that your precious items, whether furniture, fragile items, or valuable possessions, are in capable hands. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bath moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.